How to fix Spotify Premium not working after payment. 2026, you just paid for Spotify Premium and your account is still showing free. No offline downloads, no ad-free listening, nothing. Super frustrating, especially when your money has already left your account. In the next 2 minutes, I will walk you through every official fix step by step. Let us get into it. Welcome back, I am Daniel, and today we are solving the Spotify Premium not working after payment problem completely in 2026. Let us go. First, the honest truth you need to know. In March 2026, Spotify officially confirmed a widespread issue where users who successfully paid for premium were still seeing the free version inside their apps. Spotify acknowledged this as a payment processing sync error on their end and confirmed it was fixed. However, individual account sync issues still happen regularly. Everything I am about to show you comes directly from Spotify's official support page. Fix 1, log out and log back in immediately. This is Spotify's own #1 recommended fix, and it resolves the issue for the majority of users. Open Spotify, tap your profile picture, scroll down, and tap Log Out. Then log back and using the exact same account details you used to purchase Premium. Once you are back in, your Premium features should activate instantly. Spotify confirmed that logging out triggers a manual sync between your account and their servers, which pushes your Premium status through right away. Fix 2, make sure you are logged into the correct account. This is one of the most common causes of Premium not activating. Spotify has multiple ways to sign up with email, phone number, Google, Apple, or Facebook. You may have accidentally purchased Premium on a different account than the one you are currently using. Try logging out and signing back and using each method to find the account that has the active Premium subscription attached to it. Fix 3, check your payment status. Open a browser and go to your Spotify account page at spotify.com, log in and tap your plan. Check whether it shows premium or free. Then go to your payment history and confirm your payment is showing as completed and not pending. If your bank statement shows the payment as pending, it means the transaction has not fully cleared yet. Pending payments can take up to 24 hours to process fully. Wait and check again once it clears. Fix 4, check if you are on a partner plan. If you subscribe to Spotify Premium through your phone carrier, internet provider, or any third-party partner company, those providers manage your billing separately from Spotify. If Premium is not activating, contact your carrier or provider directly rather than Spotify. Go to your Spotify account page, tap Manage Subscription, and check the payment section to see who your provider is. Fix 5, clear the Spotify app cache. On Android, go to Settings, tap Apps, find Spotify, tap Storage, and hit Clear Cache. Then reopen Spotify and log back in. A corrupted cache can prevent your account from syncing your Premium status properly even after a successful payment. Fix 6, update the Spotify app. Go to the Google Play Store on Android or the App Store on iPhone and check for any available Spotify update. An outdated version can cause Premium features to fail to load even when your account is correctly showing as Premium on Spotify's servers. Fix 7, uninstall and reinstall Spotify completely. Delete Spotify from your device entirely, reinstall the latest version from your official App Store, log back in, and check your Premium status. A completely fresh install forces a full account sync and resolves deep app issues that cache clearing alone cannot fix. Fix 8, contact Spotify support directly. If Premium is still not working after all these steps and your payment has fully cleared, go to support, Spotify.com, and contact Spotify's support team. Provide your account email, your payment confirmation, and the date of your transaction. Spotify's support team can manually verify and activate your Premium status directly from their end. Pro tip: after successfully activating Premium, always check your subscription renewal date immediately. Go to your Spotify account page and note the exact date your subscription renews each month. Set a personal reminder a few days before that date to make sure your payment method is still valid and has sufficient funds. This prevents Premium from suddenly reverting to free mid-month due to a failed renewal payment, which is one of the most common reasons Premium stops working unexpectedly. So to recap, log out and back in first, confirm you are on the right account, check your payment status is completed not pending, verify your plan provider, clear your cache, update the app. Reinstall if needed, and contact Spotify support if nothing else works. Follow those steps in order and your Premium will be up and running in no time. If this video helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more Spotify fix tutorials every week. Did logging out and back in fix it for you instantly? Drop your answer in the comments. It has been Daniel. See you in the next one.